Today I am reviewing this Samsung Galaxy Tablet S9 FE Plus, the 12.4-inch screen, 128 gigabyte. Now, I purchased this tablet for the sole purpose of editing content for my various social media platforms, and I needed something that had an S Pen. Now, for larger projects, I use my laptop or my desktop, but for the smaller projects, I was using my phone but needed a larger screen to make my editing more precise, and so I opted for this S9 FE. As you can see in this demo, the screen is huge, and what I love about the tablet is that even though the screen is huge, it isn't very heavy. Like, I can hold it comfortably within my hand, like with it resting on my arm, and I can edit no problem. I also love that it comes with an S Pen, which is another thing that I was looking for when I was in the market to purchase a tablet, because it helps me get really precise cuts when I'm editing on my editing timeline than it is to use my finger. Here are some of your top questions about this device answered. Does its S Pen come included? Yes, it does. It comes with your tablet, so there's no need to purchase one separately. Does it support external storage expansion? And it does. As seen in this demo, there is a slot for an SD card to expand storage and add as you need to. What do customers think of its battery life? So after using it for about 2 weeks with a full day of editing, which is the primary thing that I use this device for, it's actually the only thing I use this device for, I'd say it has about 4 to 6 hours of use before needing to recharge. And when you charge it with the charger that comes with it, it does rapid charge. I find if I use one of my other chargers, it takes longer. And would I recommend this tablet? Yes, I would. It's made editing for my smaller files much easier and smoother just because of the larger screen and the S Pen. And I also love that I have the ability to work on this tablet in any orientation, be it landscape or vertical. You can move this tablet completely around 360 and it'll work in any orientation.
Since you're already here, you might as well watch another video. I'll just put it right here for you. It's right here. It's just one little click. Go ahead. So we can be together longer, okay? Alrighty, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.